does red start with?
No.
Helen starts. What does red start with?
J.
Do you know?
J.
No.
T.
What sounds like
What?
R. Yeah.
Zero.
And what is on top of us?
Okay.
And what does head start with? Helen, tell me. Head starts with.
J.
Sounds like your name. What does your name start with?
I don't know. H.
That's right. Head. It starts with H.
But horse.
Just like horse.
And Helen.
And Helen.
Just
That's
like
right.
a pony.
What does pony start with, Helen?
A.
Isabel, what does pony start with?
P.
That's right.
And
And what does light start with?
L.
L. That's right.
L.
Yeah. Sit down properly. And what does
I can't see.
apple start with?
A.
That's right. What does banana start with?
It was a Santa.
Yeah, it rhymes with Shanna. What does banana start with? Banana. That's right. What does window start with? Window.
X.
Sit down properly, please.
Whoops.
Window starts with what?
Y. It looks like another splinter.
Oh no. Window starts with W. Window.
I want to see it. Oh, I don't think that's a splinter. I think so. It's bright white. What?
Is it an owie?
Yeah. Mama, I'm starting to get an alley for my leaf.
You're starting to get an owie from a leaf?
Yeah.
How does that happen exactly?
Because it's magical.
Oh, there's a magical leaf that makes owies?
See? I got it.
Now, what princess are you, Helen?
Princess of what?
And what princess are you, Isabel?
I'm a mermaid. Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry. What mermaid are you?
Ariel.
Oh.
I'm starting to get the material again.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing over again. And now I'm doing it again.
And what was your favorite part of today, Isabel?
My favorite day was going to Shaggy.
What did you do outside?
We played on the slide.
On the slide.
We took turns. And then we went with Kitty.
You went with Kitty on the slide?
Yeah. But I didn't go with Carrie.
No.
We forgot.
Carrie stayed inside.
But Carrie wanted to go outside too. Because she's bored